All right, so today's lesson is about transcripts. Your transcripts are your official grades, and they include information from all the classes you've taken in high school, the grades you obtained, your graduation date and year, your GPA. Some even have your ACT or SAT scores on there. All right, so what we're going to do today is we are going to email your counselor and ask them to mail you a copy of your current high school transcript, okay? Then you're going to save that document in your Google Drive and you're going to answer a few questions. So here's an example I sent to Mr. Boyd. I don't know if he's your counselor or who your counselor is. You should know that. If you don't, you can find it on Infinite Campus, okay? So this one says to Mr. Boyd, "Hi, Mr. Boyd. Can you please send me a copy of my current transcript? I need it for a class assignment. Thank you very much. Your first and your last name." Okay? That's how you would email Mr. Boyd. Okay? And then you're going to come down here and you're going to answer these questions. What are your total credits? What is your GPA? What years and your semesters did you take your PE credits? What year and semester did you take health? And what was your health grade? Those are things I want to know for this assignment.